Welcome to Math and Me. First video we was watching how to solve quadratic equation by factorization. In this video we will just do a reverse process of solving an equation. Let's start. So here is forming quadratic equation in x with given roots for each of the following. Number A, 2, 3. So it means here x equals 2 or x minus 2 equals 0 or x equal 3 or x minus 3 equals 0. Okay, so the equation is x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal 0. It means here x and x square minus 3x minus 2x minus a plus 2 into 3, it means 6 equals 0. So x square minus 3x minus 2x, it means 5x plus 6 equals 0. This is a equation. Look, in first video we was doing from here to here, and this video we will make the equation. Then number B, 3 minus 4. So similar, here x equals 3 or x minus 3 equal 0 or x equal minus 4 or x minus 4 become plus 4 equals 0. So the equation is x minus 3 into x plus 4 equal 0. Okay, so we can write x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 equals 0 or x square plus x minus 12 equals 0. This is a answer. Number C, minus 5, 6. Here x equal minus 5 or x plus 5 or x equals 6 or x minus 6 equal 0. So the equation is, here is 0, x plus 5 into x minus 6 equal 0. Okay, then x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 30 equal 0. Okay, then x square minus x minus 30 equals 0. This is our equation. Next one, number D. Here is 2 divided 3 and minus 4 divided 5. Here x equal 2 divided 3, cross multiplication, so 3x equals 2 or 3x minus 2 equals 0 or x equal minus 4 divided 5, again cross 5x equal minus 4 or 5x plus 4 equals 0. So the equation is 3x minus 2 into 5x plus 4 equals 0. We can write 3 and 5, 15 x square, 5 thrice 12x minus 10x minus 8 equals 0. So we can write 15x square plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. This is the answer. And today's final one, e minus 1 divided 2 and 2 divided 3. This is a mixed fraction, so we can write here x equal minus 1 divided 2. So we can write this is a minus 2 1 multiply 2 and 1, it means 3 divided 2, or here is 2x equal minus 3, or 2x plus 3 equals 0. Again x equals 2 divided 3, or 3x equal 2, or 3x minus 2 equal 0. So the equation is 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2 equal 0, or we can write 6x square minus 4x plus 9x minus 6 equals 0, or 6x square plus 5x minus 6 equals 0. This is the answer. So our video today's part is finished. In this video we are solving quadratic equation in x with the given roots for each of the following. It's very important in our daily life, it means in exam. Hope you understand. If you have any question, just write in comment section, or you can email me by this email. This is email Rajiv dot home of math at gmail.com. Okay, so thank you so much. Just share with your friends. If they have any problem, they also can ask me there any kinds of math problem. Thank you so much.